could start streaming this. Video capture. Do you guys? I'm not even sure what's going on at this point. I'm gonna switch over. I don't know if I could switch over to the. Hold on. Let's end this stream. Yes. Done. Come on. Live. I'm not sure if you guys see me. I'm just trying to get this figured out with my computer right now. I just got OBS Studios working. For some reason it kept crashing every time I got it started, but right now it seems to be working just fine. Let me know if you guys see me or not. Good morning all. Okay, I see the chat room now. So morning neurosis. So yeah, I was reading the chat this morning as I was trying to get this started, and I see everyone's hopping on that Kiron bandwagon. Everyone wants to buy some Kiron. Okay, perfect. Looks like I got my OBS working. John Cena, you can't see me. The video's working. Okay, good morning guys. So yeah, let's just I don't know if you guys heard what I said already. So Kron seems to be in the green. They're up 29 cents in the pre-market, up 1.29%. Aurora Cannabis is starting off the pre-market in the red. Yep, they're down 1 cent. Let's just take a look at these companies. I really want Hexo to be up today. I said yesterday I was gonna sell my Hexo shares, but I didn't end up selling. I got a little greedy. I had a perfect sell opportunity yesterday for Hexo, and I didn't end up taking it. And Hexo starting off the day down 4 cents, so it's kind of disappointing. I wish I sold my Hexo shares. Well, half of them. I was never gonna sell all of them, because I do think Hexo is getting a little overvalued. Puppies are whining. Tilray's down 12 cents today. Let's see what you guys are saying. Yes, how's everyone doing? So if you guys check out the link in the bottom, I actually just started some merch. So I actually finally have some merch. You guys could check it out right here. Hold on, I want to show you guys. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's right here. So I have like a bunch of sweaters, t-shirts, everything, pillows, cups, everything with the Hustler logo. I chose a bunch of different logos, so it's not all just it's not all the same. I chose logos that you guys voted on as well. So I have the ones with the diamonds, without the diamonds, different colors. So you guys could check it out. There's a lot of them just ready to go. And there's also a 10% discount. I might increase the discount, but sometimes the discount won't work, because if the discount is more than the minimum that the company allows me to sell it at, the discount won't work. But I'll probably increase that discount. But the discount is Hustler, all capitals, and you guys could check that out if you want. I literally just started working on it last night. I'm gonna have more designs up later. Wait for Hex, will be back up. Yeah, I know. I just I wanted to collect some profit, but it's fine. I'm not gonna complain. Kiron is a beast. Yes, Kiron has been on fire. IGC is up 55%. IGC. Let's see. I haven't taken a look at IGC in a while. Well, oh yeah, wow, they're up 57% in the pre-market. IGC, India Globalization Capital. This company has been through a lot. Look at that chart right there. This company has went from being like a penny stock all the way to being a $15 stock. Finding out that they were that there was a lot of scandals going on with this company, back to a penny stock, and now I feel like it's people have just been swing trading it, day trading it. Very risky company, but it's up to 60 cents. It's up 57% in the pre-market. IGCC. I would not recommend this company to anyone. It's a very risky company. Yes, guys. Thank you, Neurosis. Don't forget to hit that like button. Been through a lot. I'm in the USA. I'm using Robinhood. How come I can buy? Robinhood doesn't allow you to buy certain stocks. You literally can only buy what Robinhood allows you. I'm from Canada, so I can't even use Robinhood. So And I noticed right now that my stream health is bad. So if you guys just rewind it a little, rewind it 30 seconds, the stream health will be better. See, you got the join. Yeah, I also got the join button now. I noticed that a lot of people are always requesting me to do certain companies. So if you guys join, I will have like private videos, private live streams where I'll do any requests, any company you guys want me to do a video on. It's only $4.99 a month. You guys are welcome to join if you want. It's totally up to you guys. I'm just trying to update everything. Like I said, I also have merch. I left a link there. If you read the description, it says check out my new merch, and it's at Teespring stores. I'm actually trying to work on something with one of my subscribers where I might be able to get the merch cheaper, because right now I'm selling through this store, and I'm pretty much charging the minimum what they allow me to charge. So yeah, what do you think about Aurora? Let's take a look at Aurora. Right now Aurora is in the red. Honestly, Aurora, I think this company is going to be so hard to move, especially because they have so much shares outstanding. It's going to be hard to move this company right now. It's currently down 1 cent in the pre-market, 0.21%. Nothing too serious. Technical analysis is a buy, and a neutral. 1 minute is a sell, strong buy. But if you look at Aurora's valuations, price to revenue 77, price to sales 168, no longer profitable. On paper it looks bad, but this is a company. It's still in the beginner stages, so has a lot of potential. And if you look at these charts actually look so familiar. Like the patterns look like they just keep repeating. They have a small run, huge run, small run, a huge run. We just had a small run. If the charts continue this pattern, we might have a huge run, but nothing is ever guaranteed. But if you look at these patterns, they look so identical. So it's tough to call Aurora. The only thing is they keep diluting their shares, and that's been like killer. That's been killing us investors. I'm just glad I've collected my profits. Yeah, dump Aurora by Kieran. Kieran has been on fire. I did a nice little day trade, swing trade the other day, and I'm glad I did. I made some decent coin. Hope CGC runs. Oh wow, I got a new member, Mike Peters, man. This guy has supported me like no other. Thank you, Mike Peters. You're my first member, Mike Peters. Thank you for joining. So yeah, like this is new to me, that whole membership thing. But any requests, any companies, you let me know. I'm gonna have private videos for the private members, so you guys can literally pick whatever company, and I'll make a video just for you guys. No ads, no nothing on that video. So yeah, thanks for joining, Mike. I really appreciate that. My very first member, maybe my only member. But yeah, don't forget to leave me a like, guys. So what you guys were saying, Alifia. Let's take a look at Alifia, since all you guys are talking very highly of this company. So Alifia Health Inc. I'm gonna look at the American side of Alifia. No pre-market right now. Alifia is currently at 191. They seem to be right in the middle of their 52-week range. Made a nice run, slowly declined. They might start doing a staircase pattern. That would be nice to see. Currently, technical analysis, it's a buy and a strong buy. The 1 minute, it's a buy, strong buy. So technical analysis look good, but once again, never bet your money on just technical analysis alone. Price to revenue 95, price to sales 104. Not the greatest, but I've said this before. I don't think the investors right now seem to care about valuations when it comes to marijuana companies, because a lot of these companies are overvalued and they still continue to push forward. So it's tough to call a marijuana company that has bad valuations, because knowing this company, it's still gonna make a run. But the 95 price to revenue, the 104 price to sales, I consider that high, but it doesn't mean this company's not gonna make a run. So yeah, before the cannabis market emerged, how often did you guys invest? I was investing. My first investment was when I was like 20, 21. Unfortunately, it was in a penny stock. And then my first successful investment was Nintendo, and that was prior to Pokemon Go being released, and that was back in like, I don't even remember what year that was. It was a while ago. It was at least 4 or 5 years ago, before Pokemon Go got released. And then Pokemon Go came out. I didn't even know it was gonna come out. I just liked Nintendo, and as soon as Pokemon Go came out, I sold all my shares. But then Nintendo started to push forward, and then that's when I started my strategy about, if a company goes up a lot, I would just sell half my shares. That way, I still have my second half if the company continues to push forward. Um, but yeah, I I know Hay should have gone in on Wednesday. I guess you're talking about Kieran, eh? Yeah, Kieran is has been on fire. I got in and then I sold, and Kieran continues to push forward. Who knows if they're gonna still push forward today? Okay, let's take a look at BLNK, but I won't be surprised to see Kieran have a run. They have such a small market cap. Unfortunately, you can't really see their valuation, so it's hard to tell. So we're gonna take a look at BLNK. We're gonna take a look at Blink. Blink Charging Co. This is a business support services. They're currently down 6 cents in the pre-market. Currently down 1.68%. Yesterday they were down 6.28%. They seem to be having a nice downfall with nice little spikes here and there, but making lower highs, which usually isn't a good sign. But right here, I feel like they just made a higher high. Hopefully, it's the beginning of good things to come. So let's just take a look at their technical analysis. A buy, and a strong buy in the 1 day. The 1 minute, it's a buy, buy, buy. Let's take a look at their shares outstanding 25, market cap 97 million. That's really good. Wow, PE ratio 1.3, price to revenue 36, price to sales 36. I like the PE ratio 1.3. This company looks good. It's surprisingly, it's near the bottom half of its 52-week low. It's made a nice, decent run. It might be pulling back. Maybe if it does a nice pullback, it could be a good opportunity to buy. I like the PE ratio. This isn't a bad company. It's obviously still risky. My biggest concern is this huge downfall. Why did it decline over the past year? Why has it been declining for the past year? If you know the answer to that, then that can give you a better reason to invest in this company or not. But from looking at it, just from the valuations, just from the chart technical analysis, it looks like a decent buy. Always a risk, but it doesn't look bad. I like it. The 1.35 P ratio looks good. So always do your own due diligence though. Precious metals are where cannabis was 2.5 years ago. Precious metals, I don't really invest into them like gold and silver. I just feel like if I were to purchase a bar of gold, it would be hard for me to sell it. Like, where would I sell my bar of gold for the value that it's valued? Because if you go to a store or like a pawn shop or a jeweler, they're never going to offer you what that gold is worth. You have to be able to find someone willing to pay for that bar of gold. That's the only thing I don't like about gold. But if you're trading gold stocks or gold ETFs, whatever, then maybe. But then that's not the same as trading gold. Okay, let's look at these companies. People are not Kieran for their earnings today. What they are buying Kieran for the gigantic footprint they are. Yeah, well, the one thing about Kieran is they do have a facility in South America or Mexico, not in Canada or the U.S. So this is going to be a company that's going to be hard to do your due diligence on, since you're going to have to take a plane to check out the facilities. Okay, let's take a look at since that's a request, and then we'll look at the other company. So I'm guessing you're talking about Heritage Cannabis. Yeah, let's take a look at Heritage Cannabis. So penny stock, I'm gonna say that's one red flag since it's a penny stock. Penny stocks are very risky. Middle of the 52-week range, so that means it has just as much room for downside versus upside. It could swing either way. Technical analysis is really good. Buy, a strong buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute is a buy and a sell. Let's see their small market cap, shares outstanding 177 million, price to book 8.0. It's not a bad company, that's for sure. My only concerns is 52-week range. It can either swing either way. Penny stock, that makes it a risk in its own on its own. But you know what they say, no risk, no reward. So What was I saw another one. Check out TGIF. Yes, I did check out TGIF. I'm just gonna try to do this guy's request and see CNTTF just real quick. CNTTF, CannTrust Holdings Inc. Oh, I'm pretty sure I've done CannTrust many times. CannTrust is actually gonna be on the New York Stock Exchange on the 25th of this month. So I think that they might make a run. I've already looked at CannTrust and I told you that on paper they don't look like the greatest company, but this company is profitable, which is good. Unfortunately, they do have a 62 PE ratio, so they are a little overvalued unless it went up. Now it's 66. So the more this company runs up, the more overvalued it becomes. But they are getting released on the New York Stock Exchange. And when you compare them to companies like Aurora, companies like Tilray, companies like Kronos, any company, CGC, they are a lot more undervalued versus their competitors. But when you compare them to a regular company, I do feel like they're overvalued. But like I said in the beginning of the live stream, investors don't seem to care about valuations when it comes to the marijuana industry. I think 66 PE ratio is still high, but on the bright side, they are profitable. And on the other bright side, they are going to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So this company might be ready to make another run. It's a tough call, mostly because their valuations aren't the greatest, but there's so many good things coming, like the New York Stock Exchange, like the fact that they're profitable, and comparing them to their peers, they have better numbers, so it's tough. So let's look at TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, and it actually is Friday. What do you guys have planned for this weekend? So 1933 Industries. So TGIF went down 7.8% yesterday. This is a penny stock. They seem to be near the bottom of the 52-week range. It looks like a very volatile stock. So this looks like a perfect company. If you catch the bottom and you want to hold it long term, all for it. But this would be a company that I would be day trading, swing trading. You could easily find a support line here, and you can easily find a resistance line here. So you have 27 cents to 40 cents. So yeah, you can make some serious dough day trading, swing trading this company. But if you're long term, just catching the bottom probably won't be that hard easily as well. Buy a strong buy in the technical analysis. 1 minute it's a sell and a strong sell. Let's look at their valuations. Market cap 96 million. Shares outstanding 237 million. Not bad. Price to revenue is good, 8.5. Price to sales good, 10.0. This looks like a fairly decent company actually. Their valuations are not out of whack. The only big risk here is that they're a penny stock. So far I like everything on paper. And this is just on paper. Don't forget, guys. You guys gotta still do your own due diligence. You guys still have to study this company, what they do. Just by me looking at them 5 minutes isn't gonna determine whether this is a good investment. It just kind of gives me like an idea whether I like this company or not. Because once I see too many red flags, I won't even look at the company. But this would be a company that I would do more research into because I like what I see on paper. So yeah, I like what I see on paper with this company. So let's see what you guys. It's 420 somewhere else. It probably is. It probably is. Let's see another request. CUV. Okay, let's do CUV. Let's take a look at them real quick. CUV. I'm guessing it's CUV Ventures Corp. Another penny stock. So once again, this company went down 24%. You know what? I like companies when they decline like that. That's such a huge drop. But the thing is, how low is it gonna drop before it pushes forward? But usually, let's take a look at their 5 minute charts. See if we see how many gaps do we see. So we see a gap here. That's actually the first gap. Who knows? This might be a good buying opportunity for this company. It is near the bottom of the 52-week range, but it's like catching a falling knife. If you are a day trader, swing trader, I would definitely recommend a stop loss. Technical analysis, it's a sell, and a strong sell. So technical analysis, don't think it's a good investment right now. Small market cap, a lot of potential for growth. Price to revenue, it's not bad, 20. Price to sales, 16. Shares outstanding 123 million. It's not bad, but once again, you gotta know, why did it decline in the past week? Why did it go all the way down from 77 cents down to 20 cents? Is there a reason for that? And if it's for if it's nothing too serious, then this could be a good buy right now. It looks like it's gonna catch the bottom. It looks like we're oversold here. So usually when a company's oversold, you can see that they're oversold here, and they have a gap. Usually they fill that gap. So this company might make a good run today. So let's call this out. This is CUV Ventures, ticker symbol CUV. So at the end of today, let's see how this company does. Just by looking at these charts, this is not 100% guaranteed. I could be easily wrong, but just by looking at these charts, this company might have a good day today. They were oversold yesterday, especially in the morning, and they were down 24%. So CUV might make a good run today from the looks of it. I could be wrong. This could be a falling knife, and it just could be declining to the sub penny range. We're gonna find out today. So CUV, just add that to your ticker symbol, add that to your watch list, see how this company does. Once again, don't invest in it unless you know about this company. Don't just go into a trade blind. I'm not recommending anyone to do that. So yeah, I think I just did ACAN, did I not? I'm gonna check it out again. Once again, 109 people. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. 7 minutes till the market's open. We're gonna take a look at ACAN right now, which is American. I'm pretty sure I've looked at this company before. The volatility on this company, you could just tell. Let's just bring it to let's bring 15-minute chart bars, because these bars are really. So ACAN, near the bottom of the 52-week range. I usually like companies like that, but you gotta find out why. Sell, strong sell, and 1 minute it's same thing, a sell and a strong sell and a neutral. So market cap, small market cap, shares outstanding, small share dilution. Price to book 6.14. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. The only thing I'm questioning is, why has it been declining for the past? Oh fuck, wrong way. Why has it been declining for the past year? No, it hasn't been for the past year. Yeah, since September, it's been on the decline. Well, that's obviously, it had that hype from legalization, so that could be the reason. It's just been declining because the hype of legalization was over, and then might be looking. But then even here in the short term, it's been declining. It made a nice run here, and now it's having lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. I mean lower highs. So this is a tough one to call. I think at this point you're gambling. This could easily go back down to the penny stock level, but it doesn't look bad. Small market caps, small share dilution, price to valuations don't look bad. Well, all you see is price to book. It's not a bad company, but you got to do your own research, find out why this company has been declining. It's been on the downfall for how long? So yes, don't forget, crush the like button. Wait, what did someone said? Let me see what you said. Something, I found your channel. Thank you, Miko Vlogs. Thank you for finding me. Don't forget to leave me a like, hustler people. Oh, my chat is out of whack. You guys are talking too much. Just kidding. I don't know. I can't. I lost you. I have cannabis portfolio, a hemp port, a green port, and a bioscience port so far. That's good. You gotta stay diverse. I think you definitely have to diversify. I'm not fully invested into cannabis, because what happens if something wrong happens? You gotta have a backup. I'm invested in tech, into cannabis. I have some penny stocks. I have some speculation stocks, Chinese stocks. Like I'm trying to stay diverse. That way, I protect myself if the cannabis industry falls. Hustler, people have to ask what the chart program is you're using. So this is actually very easy. I'm gonna type it out right now. Anyone can use it. There's a free version for it, and there's a paid version. It's not a secret. I like to share everything with you guys, because if you guys have the right tools, then you guys can learn on your own. Obviously, I'm here to help as well. I just typed it out. If you want to use the same program I'm using, it's not a secret. Just simply go on tradingview.com. I just typed it out right there. So you guys are all welcome to use this program. You guys can see everything that I'm looking at. It's nothing special. Obviously I think it's one of the best programs, because shows you everything on one page. It shows you its market cap, price to revenue, price to sales, price to earnings, and it even gives you technical analysis. So let's look at HSC, Harco Corp. So you guys are welcome to all use tradingview.com. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. They're not going to charge you unless you want to upgrade. So it's absolutely free to use. So currently down 1 cent in the pre-market. They had a massive run, and they even have a gap yesterday. I usually like to invest in companies when they have gap downs, not gaps up. I don't know if that made sense. So who knows? This company might decline a little today, mostly because that huge gap, or this could be the beginning of runs to come. Nothing is ever 100% guaranteed. It's a buy and a strong buy according to technical analysis. 1 minute it's a sell, buy, and a strong buy. So technical analysis are looking good. Shares outstanding 80 million, market cap 1.9 billion. That's surprising, having such a big market cap and small shares. I guess that explains the $24 price range. PE ratio 19, so it's a profitable company. Price to this actually looks very good on paper, so it's not bad. Total current assets, so 1.6 billion. This company seems like a good company. What kind of company is this? This is a mining support and services equipment. Company's profitable. They have 1.6 billion in assets. They have good PE ratio. I mean, decent PE ratio. They have a good price to revenue. I'm surprised they don't have dividends. That would have been even more. In the middle of the 52-week range, so it has just as much room for upside versus downside. But from the looks of it, this company looks good. I can't really say anything bad about it except for that big run it made yesterday. It had a huge run, and usually after those runs, you see a company decline. It could easily push forward, but I actually like this company. It's not bad. That's a good call. HSC, guys. So you guys could add that to your watch list. I actually like what I see on paper. Yeah, my puppy. My puppy's not getting pissed. She's just licking her. Well, she's not a puppy. The mother is just, I guess, bathing all her female puppies right now. She's just like licking the crap out of them. Get your money ready to gobble up the ACB dip around $6. Honestly, if Aurora dips to $6, I will be so happy. And it's 1 minute till the market's open, guys. I'm just gonna check out my phone real quick. Gotta make sure that my Hexo shares. I'm actually curious just how Hexo does right now, because I was supposed to sell Hexo. I even spoke about it on my live stream yesterday, that I was gonna sell Hexo, but I got greedy and I didn't sell my Hexo shares. So I don't know. Hopefully they have a nice run today. I do want to collect some profits with Hexo. I only own 1,000 Hexo shares, but so I want to sell 500 or 400 depending how high they go. It looks like the markets are open. So Hexo's starting off nicely. If Hexo goes above $8, I'm just about to put a sell order. I'll probably make a sell order of $8 and let's say 5 cents. So if Hexo goes to $8.05, I will be selling, let's say, 400 shares of Hexo at $8.05. I'm actually doing this right now. Maybe I could show you guys once the sell order is complete. 666. Hold on. Oh shoot, I shouldn't be saying my password. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just making this quick little sell order. So yeah, right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. No, you probably won't be able to see it, but I just placed a sell order for Hexo, $8.05 for 400 shares. I have 1,000 shares, so that will leave me with 600. I just want to collect with some profits with Hexo because I do think they're a little overvalued right now. So just put a quick little sell order with Hexo just now. Should I dump Planet 13? Honestly, I'm not dumping Planet 13. I'm currently up with Planet 13. Probably not that much. Let's see how Planet 13 is doing. I'm up 11% with Planet 13. I personally think if Planet 13 keeps declining, I want to buy this company. I'm long with this company. I feel like in a couple years, this company will be a $5 to $10 company. But if you don't feel confident in this company and you want to cut your losses or collect your profits, that's 100% your choice. Exactly. I love Planet 13. Everything's still in its beginning stages. Like this is just the beginning for the marijuana market. A lot of these companies, they're gonna blow up in a couple years, in 5 years. This is a long game. Some of these companies maybe you're disappointed because you're seeing all these other companies make a huge run, and Planet 13 has been pretty stable. But a lot of them, they're still in their beginner stages. Good day, Mike Peters. Thank you for joining my group, guys. If you guys haven't seen it, there's a join button, and pretty much you guys could request anything you want, any video, any company, and I'll make a video privately on my private group, and no commercials, nothing. You guys could check it out. Nice to see you, Mike, and I'll see you hopefully Monday, or yeah, next time. Stay humble, Mike. Stay humble. So yeah, I'm gonna stay on the market for maybe like 10 more minutes. We'll do a couple more requests. Let's see what you guys have requested. It's a sleeping giant, Planet 13. It will ruin. It will run again. Exactly. Yes, Neurosis. Don't forget to leave a like button. Cash is king today. Exactly. I always have tried it. That's why I want to sell some Hexo just to add a little more to my cash position. But I still want to hold on to my Hexo just in case. Let's see what requests you guys had. So let's see, IVITF, and then also XLY. So XLY, I'm just gonna talk about it real quick. IVITF, XLY, they look cheap because they're in the pennies right now. They're like 74 cents. But looking at them on paper, it kind of sucks to say because I'm currently a shareholder, and they look a little overvalued, which sucks. But I still think this company can run up to $1, hopefully $1.20, $1 something. So it's a tough call. So technical analysis for IVITF, which is Invictus and MD Strategies Corp. They're a sell and a strong sell. I will look at XLY in a bit. According to their 52-week range, they seem to be near the bottom. So it's not bad. Actually, no, maybe not. Currently down 0.32%. It looks like. Let's see their valuations. So price to revenue 27, price to sales 48. Not the greatest, but it's also not as bad as some marijuana companies. But let's see, this is a pharmaceutical company, so comparing it to its peers, it's not bad. I think penny stocks are always a high risk, high reward. It's not a horrible penny stock, but it's not the best. So that's all I could say about this company. It's you would have to really do your research on it and see actually why they've been declining. I guess let's see when they started their downfall. Was it in October? If it was, then it's probably because legalization slowed it down. So yeah, as you could see, this is October. No, yeah. So prior to October, they pretty much have been on a downfall. It might have been because like all the marijuana companies dropped after legalization. It's a tough call. Let's see what else. I have Hexo. Yes, I also have Hexo, and I'm actually I want Hexo. Hexo's so far made a good run this morning. Has not hit $8 yet, but I did put a sell order at $8.05 for Hexo. We'll see how it goes. I'm just collecting some profits. I'm not getting rid of all my shares. Let's see how Kieran's doing. That's true. I want to see how Kieran's doing. Kieran, I wonder which one will be more up to date, American or Canadian. So I don't think these charts have any movement on Kieran yet. We're gonna have to wait, because right now it's the only way I could check it would be to access my bank to see exactly. Yeah, there's no movement on Kieran right now, or they seem to be flat. Maybe let's look at the Canadian Kieran. Yeah, right now Kieran, according to these charts, they're still trading at $3.93. Kieran has been on a massive run. When are they gonna correct? According to Neurosis, never. Kieran's gonna hit $5, $10. Hexo target is at $11 US. Yes, that the price target for Hexo looks good. I'm still gonna collect profits just in case we see another dip. I personally wouldn't recommend anyone. I can't recommend you what to do, whether it's to sell or buy a company. It's your choice alone. What are you? It depends what your starting price is on Aurora Cannabis. I personally, if Aurora starts to dip, I'm gonna buy. See, that's the thing. When a company goes down, instead of thinking should I sell, your question should be should I buy more? Because like that's the opportunity to average down on shares. That's the opportunity to get in at a cheaper price. That way, when they make or if they make a nice run, nothing's guaranteed. You're in the green. So Aurora, it looks like currently Aurora is I'm not sure if they're up 5.57% or this is yesterday's number. It doesn't look like let's look at the 1 minute chart. just to see if they're making any movements today. So yeah, it does look like Aurora is currently up. Oh, and I spoke too soon. They're currently up 1 cent. So nothing too big on Aurora. Um, we're gonna see how they do throughout the day. Hexo seems to be starting off the day nice and green. Let's see how Hexo's doing. I'm gonna be looking at Canadian now that the markets are open, or did they decline now? No, for some reason the Canadian side of this website doesn't update right away. You gotta wait till the Canadian side opens. So let's look at the American side. Hexo seems to be starting off in the green. Nothing too major, but I do hope Hexo goes up to $8 Canadian. I made a sell order. Okay, I'm gonna do one last request. If there's any, if there's not, is ACB, don't sell it. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's your choice whether you invest into ACB on or not. Okay, I'm gonna do one last one. APYP. Kieran is on fire. It's up today. I'm not surprised, man. What did you say again? AYP? I think it was AYP. Fuck you guys. Kieran. I should start calling this the Kieran live stream. AYP. Is this a German company? Is that what you're talking about? I'm gonna make sure I have this ticker symbol right. APYP. That's where I messed up. APYP. My watch list is just getting crammed. I think I need to create a new watch list just for this live stream because I have so much companies on my watch list. Okay, just by looking at this company, it's a sub penny stock. Sub penny stocks, if you think penny stocks are risky, then sub penny stocks are I don't even know what to call it, even more risky. The volatility on this in this company is real. As you could see, it's just a super volatile company. But this is a very dangerous company. It's been on the downfall since the beginning of its life. So it went from being a $1 company since the moment it IPO'd, it went all the way to a sub penny stock. So why has this company been on the downfall? It is near the bottom of the 52-week range, but this is literally a falling knife because it went from being a $1 company to now being 0.0001 cents. Shares outstanding 1.24 billion. That's another red flag. Market cap is that 43,000 or what's the market cap? Market cap is 430,000. Like this could be price to sales is not even great. Price to sales 101, price to revenue 126. Honestly, this company could easily make a huge run because it's a sub penny stock. It's a high risk, high reward. But just by looking at these valuations, it's just too many red flags for me. I personally would not get in this company. It's at the end of the day, it's your call. It's a software company, ticker symbol APYP. There's just too many red flags for my taste just by looking at these valuations. But in the end, the choice is yours. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. If you guys want to do check out the link. I actually have sweaters now with the Investing Hustler logo. I have shirts, I have everything. You guys could check out the link. I also have a code 10% off to get a sweater. I got the black sweater. I'm gonna be making more sweaters. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, keep pumping Kieran, guys. Kieran is on fire. Hopefully we have a good day today. I'll see you guys on Monday on the morning live stream. I probably have a video lined up for the weekend. Me and Departures Capital have done another collab, so we're gonna try to do a collab every weekend. So yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. XLY, honestly, I like Oxley because they're a penny, because they look cheap, but on paper they still don't. Their valuations don't look great. I'll look at them on Monday. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Hopefully everyone makes some money today. Bye bye.